So here's the meat from the last two Bobcats. This was a 38-inch female, and this is a 46-inch tom. The back straps. This is some rib meat. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do with that yet. On the big tom. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna trim off all the silver skin on it, and I'm still not exactly sure what I'm gonna do with these, so I'm just gonna kind of see what I get when I'm done trimming. All right, so I got this back strap trimmed up from that tom, and I figured out what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna marinate most of this. And then one of them, I'm not gonna marinate it at all. It's just gonna be salt, pepper, cooked in butter to see what the Bobcat actually tastes like. And then the other ones will be flavored because my two buddies who don't hunt, they both come with me on past videos. You got Kyle and Colby. They're coming Monday, and that's when we're gonna eat it. So we'll have 3 back straps that are marinated, one that's not. That way we have something just in case it's gross. You excited, goat?
Yep.
All right, so I'm gonna get trimming these up, getting them marinated, and then tomorrow we'll finish up this video and we'll video Kyle and Colby's reaction. And Jackson. Okay? Sound good?
Yep.
Why are you so shy on camera?
I'm not.
You're like the least shy kid ever. Then on camera you get all dorky.
No, I'm not.
But still just so handsome, huh?
Yeah.
All right, so I got it all cleaned up. I got this. I think I'm gonna do kebabs, marinated kebabs with that. These two I'm just gonna fry up salt and pepper to get the taste. And then I'm gonna make a stuffed Bobcat with this rib meat. So I'll put cheese, peppers, roll it up, and put it on the grill. Cook it that way. So it's important with predators. Got to make sure we get it above like 165. I gotta look it up for sure because all predators have a chance to get trichinosis, and we don't want trichinosis, so can't have it rare like I normally eat my game meat. So we're gonna have to have it a little cooked a little more, but it's not gonna be red still in the middle. Brody and I ate I don't know, probably a quarter of a bighorn sheep without even cooking it, huh? Just sliced it up thin and ate it, but this will get cooked all the way. So we'll see what happens on Monday. All right, so there's a lot of people at my house, so don't mind the noise.
Don't mention it.
On the rib meat, we got jalapenos, green onions, cheese. I'm gonna roll those up. There's our kebabs, and this is what we're just gonna put some salt and pepper on and cook. So these boys are excited. You ready to be on YouTube, Jackson? Okay.
I don't know what to say.
You don't know what to say? Just think of something cool and tell me when you're ready, and then I'll video it. It's all right. Here, I'm already videoing you. So you're gonna come try this piece of Bobcat. You're going first. Brody, grab a piece too. One of these. Gotta grab one of those ones first.
Okay, are you already videoing?
Yeah.
He's videoing.
Does it taste like what does it taste like?
Tastes good.
What's it taste?
Tastes like steak.
Tastes like steak.
What do you think? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up. Okay, Colby. Give it a try.
We'll try now.
Colby's a hashtag COVID survivor, so he might not be able to taste it.
Yeah, I'm not the best one to give an analysis because I can't fully
Oh,
taste, but
Colby, Kyle, or Jackson's going for seconds. Okay, Kyle.
Which one am I supposed to grab?
That's just salt and pepper.
Oh, just salt and pepper.
it's not bad.
There's something weird in that taste.
Maybe
It's
like
like something I've never tasted before. I don't know.
All right, so now I'm gonna try it.
It honestly, it tastes like a cat smell.
Tastes like what a Bobcat smells
It
like.
tastes like a cat. Like I've smelled
Yeah,
cats.
I'm not. See, I can't pick up any of that.
I've smelled cats that taste like this.
It tastes like hard steak.
Tastes like hard steak. Well, the kids like it.
Yeah.
Will I do it again? Probably not.
No, I'm good.
So what's this? the
Is it
marinated
gross?
one?
No, but we'll see. Okay, Colby, what's it on the marinated one? You can try this one, bro. It's marinated.
Brooks.
Again, dude, I'm not the best one to give an analysis because all I taste is the marinade, pretty much. That's it.
Here's
Now try this one out here.
What do you think, kids?
Steak.
That one's not flavored. Oh, yeah, eat that one then, yeah.
Looks like steak.
Hey, Kyle, try this one.
I hope it's better because I didn't like that first one.
It is better.
Oh man, it's like
Steak.
Hey, but okay, Kyle, when it comes to diverse palate, he's not the one to talk to.
probably fair.
He's from
His
Utah.
palate is what he looks like.
Yeah, his palate's what he looks like, just plain and simple. We have tuna over here, and he won't touch it.
So I don't like that. That's better because I can taste the marinade and the peppers, and so that tastes better. With
So,
just straight salt and pepper.
This is better, sweet. It tastes like I was skinning a bobcat and got some blood in my mouth or something. Not a huge fan of it, so
Put it away or you want more?
it's not a redo, but at least we tried it. So if you want to try it yourself and let me know, maybe I did something wrong. I did really good to keep glands out of it, and I even switched my gloves before I cut the meat out. But Jackson, he's been dying to be on YouTube, huh? Guess what? Now you're famous. At least 100 people know you now. All right, so that's the cooking of a bobcat.
My first time.
His first time eating bobcat.
My
So
second time.
it is your second time having bobcat, huh?
No,
So
my first time being on YouTube.
it's your second time. You're on my other video.
What?
All right. Anyways,
Tracking.
that's our take on bobcat. So I probably won't do it again, but at least I tried it.